English foolishness. If you pronounce head, dead, and beard, you'll hear the last word rhymes with did. And in this poem, you will surely find many items of these kinds. For instance, dear and fear and hear but beer, gear and tear but wear and tear, yes and least and pleased but pleasant. The last word rhymes with freight and weight. Quite definitely again is height, which sounds like bite, indict, and light. The next line should be read with care. The praying prayer says his prayer. Bean and lean and mean but meant. Note G in get in gem and gent. Vice but crevice, advice and device. Lies but malice, police concise. We say dreamt but also dreamed, the last word rhyming with esteemed. Grow and blow anew but saw. Cow and row but sow and row. Measles does not sound like measure. The same applied to treason, treasure. Braid and made and laid but said. Treat but threat and thread but freed. First say danger, then hunger. Count but country, southern but south. Disguise but bruise, youth in hand. Brook but brooch and brood but blood. Hood but mood and food but flood. Mint but pint and cork but work. Dull and gull and hull but full. Lull and skull but bowl and pull. Flour but tour and par. We say bone and lone but gun, pronounced like dawn or dawn. Tone and stone and throne but done. Phone and home and scone but none. Now reader, always bear in mind the difference between wind and wind. The latter rhymes with rind and kind. Can you pronounce without mistakes? MacLeod, Rachel, ache, petal, penal, want, pant, slant, van, one,